Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're going to crack open a tool that might just be your biggest secret weapon for the digital SAT math section, the built-in calculator. Now you might think you know how to use it, but there's a really good chance you're leaving a ton of points on the table. This right here, this gets to the heart of a huge misconception. Most students, they just see the calculator as a simple tool for, basic arithmetic. But the truth is, most test takers barely even scratch the surface of what this thing can actually do, especially on the new digital version of the test.
So it really makes you wonder, right? What if this tool you've been overlooking is the actual key to unlocking a higher score? It's time to start seeing this feature for what it really is. Not just some convenience, but a real strategic advantage.
And that's because the reality is the whole game has changed. With the digital SAT, the calculator isn't just an afterthought. It's a powerful, integrated feature. Just understanding how to use it strategically is the very first step to getting a major edge.
So, we're going to deconstruct the College Board's digital calculator to show you precise strategies for maximum efficiency. I mean it. This isn't about simple addition and subtraction. This is about completely changing your entire approach to the math section. So let's unpack that hidden power. We're going way beyond basic arithmetic here to expose the advanced capabilities that most people taking the test completely miss. This is exactly where you're going to gain your edge.
And this is where the strategy really comes in. We're talking about unlocking capabilities you might not even know are in there. For example, instead of manually trying to solve a system of linear equations, what if you could just graph them in seconds and find the intersection? It's about leveraging features just like that to save yourself time and seriously improve your accuracy on those more complex problems.
And this brings us to a really crucial shift in mindset. You've got to stop seeing the calculator as a simple little aid and start seeing it as your new math weapon. And, with any weapon, strategy is everything. This slide shows you the two different mindsets, side by side. Over on the left, you've got the basic tool approach. You're just fumbling with simple calculations, wasting time, and maybe even making careless errors. But on the right, you have the math weapon approach, using it strategically for maximum efficiency, better accuracy, and amazing time management. It is a night and day difference.
Okay, so how do you actually make this happen? How do you turn this little tool into a powerful weapon? Well, it all comes down to a really simple three-step action plan. Okay, first, explore. Seriously, get curious. Go beyond the plus and minus buttons and learn every single function, especially the graphing capabilities. Second, identify your targets. Not every problem needs the calculator, so you got to learn how to spot the exact types of questions where it gives you a huge advantage. Think problems with parabolas or systems of equations. And third, practice for speed. It's not just about knowing what to do. It's about making it a fast, automatic, time-saving habit come test day.
So, the secrets of the digital SAT's most powerful tool are officially out. You now have the blueprint to turn a simple feature into your greatest asset. The only question left is, are you ready to use them?